Let's take a minute to see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Good morning.
Good morning.
Carmelita and I are camped in Leadore, Idaho. For today's adventure, we're going up Hayden Creek Road to Basin Lake. You ready to go see the lake, Carmelita?
I am. Let's go.
Ready to cross Highway 28.
James and Carmelita on the edge of the world. Wheels
It's busy this morning.
Yes, it is. It was 49 when we woke up. Around 52 now. In the mountains, we're going to be going up into
Basin Lake shines like a silver coin. Laughter spills out every joint. Dust in the air.
Basement Inn.
Good times ride free without a care.
Ocean Primitive Road.
Idaho's cold pounding drums. Smiles crack white hearts at night. Ride the razor through the night.
We're in 3.4 miles from Highway 28. I wasn't sure if there'd be an area to park here on the Basin Creek Road, and that little pullout over there says no parking. So anyway, we parked in Hayden Creek Recreation Area, which is a campground, and we made our way in. So we're gonna make our way on up to Basin Lake.
Smiles crack white hearts at night. Ride the razor through the night.
Doesn't feel like a rough road, Carmelita. Not yet.
Hold on tight, the razor hums. Idaho's cold pounding drums. Smiles crack white hearts at night. Ride the razor through the night.
Yeah, I think it did say Basin Lake at one time. It's interesting, that's a tall barbed wire fence, but it also has a strand of electric fence about halfway up it. Some rugged peaks over there. Yeah, jagged peaks. That's where we're going, Carmelita, that basin that you called earlier. That's where I would be if I was a Basin Lake. We're in 10.5 miles from Highway 28, and the road's been really nice till just recently. Now it looks like it's turning into more of a trail. I do believe it's open to full-size vehicles, but it says Basin Lake to the right.
Dust kicks up the trail alive. Wheels spin the dirt we drive.
Free-range cattle, Carmelita.
Lemhi peaks stretch to the sky. Freedom screams, we're riding high.
Sorry to interrupt your breakfast, big girl.
James and Carmelita,
Quite a stray one's kind of unique.
to Basin Lake where the wild resides. Laughter echoes as the tires bite. Life is good off-road tonight. Sun dips low, paints the range gold. Air so crisp it bites and holds. Carmelita grins, wind in her hair.
No cattle guard or easy access at this one.
Got no care.
Had to dig her down by hand.
Leadore razor flies to Basin Lake where the wild resides. Laughter echoes as the tires bite. Life is good.
Signpost says Trail 199.
Mountains whisper stories untold. The razor roars, hearts grow bold.
Core muscles firing again, Carmelita.
The trail wind sharp but never fades. This is life, the joy we made. James and Carmelita, razor flies to Basin Lake where the wild resides.
We started to get a little warm in the rocky section, but now we're on the road where it's a little smoother. We had to put our jackets back on.
Go.
Big rocks, good leak clear. Having to pick our way through it.
Mountains whisper stories untold. The razor roars, hearts grow bold.
Hard to drop down, Carmelita.
Wind sharp
We're
but
getting
never
close to the lake.
fades.
Hopefully
This is life,
there's rock.
the joy
Right.
we've made. James and Carmelita, razor flies.
Just a half inch more clearance.
Basin Lake where the wild resides. Laughter echoes as the tires bite.
Suck tires off.
Life is good.
27's on it, see if that helps. Trail that just keeps giving.
Tonight.
Ready. Really like that slate rock wall. Nice. It's pretty, Carmelita.
It is.
You know, I don't know, maybe that road is or isn't open to full-size vehicles, but I sure wouldn't bring one up it.
I'd bring something very old.
Yeah.
I was gonna bring something.
Yeah, and smaller, like
Smaller
a Jeep or
Jeep,
smaller
yeah,
type truck.
truck,
Yeah.
yeah.
Anyway, let's get out, and it looks like there's a nice hiking path. We can do some walking and fly the drone and enjoy Basin Lake. Carmelita and I have made it into Basin Lake. Sure is pretty here.
It is beautiful.
Got some old snags laying around in front of us and behind us, lake views, mountain views. Good times for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, we're going to have some lunch and enjoy these lake views. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.